It has been confirmed that the cover of any book is second in importance only to the title of the book, especially if it is an e-book. Designing a cover for your book should no longer be a Herculean task. As a matter of fact, with your smartphone, you should no longer pay any designer to print your book cover for you, as your book cover can be prepared in just few minutes using your smartphone. Did I say few minutes? Yes, I mean few minutes. The untold secret lies here. All you require is just these three things. First, ChatGPT application installed in your mobile device. Second, Canva application installed in your mobile device. 3. A mental picture of what you want your book cover to look like. Okay, let's look at it. Go through your mobile device and open ChatGPT app. When the app opens, type in your idea and send. For instance, design a cover for my book titled I Found It, having the picture of an African man digging a gold mine. Author is Matthew Ozee. The application will load and create a book cover image looking like this one. But bear in mind that the image you will get depends on what you enter, the idea you entered. The book cover image just created by ChatGPT is actually in Canva web file type. You will need to change the format to JPG image, so open Canva app in your device. On this Canva homepage, click on the purple button at the bottom of the page. In this next interface, click See All and select the book cover image created by ChatGPT by clicking it. Then click Add. The image has been added to the Canva app. Click on Use the image in a new design. In this next interface, click on the arrowhead pointing upward at the top right corner. Then click Download. Under File type, click and choose JPG. Then click Download. Your book cover is now saved into your mobile device gallery as a JPG file. I suppose it's now clear to you that no designer is worthy of enjoying your money any longer. Please subscribe and like this video for more updates.